In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about UML component diagrams. We'll break down the basics and then show you how to build your own in Lucidchart. To start, what is a UML component diagram? It is a structural diagram that shows how a system's physical components, like software files or libraries, interact to form a larger system. When should I use a UML component diagram? Use them when you need to model the high-level implementation of a system or communicate how internal parts work together to deliver functionality. There are several benefits of UML component diagrams. They help teams identify bottlenecks early, simplify complex system structures, and ensure everyone is aligned on the technical requirements and dependencies. What are the key elements in a UML component diagram? There are three main pieces: the components themselves, the interfaces they use, and the dependencies that connect them together. Components represent modular parts of your system. We use provided and required interfaces, often called lollipop and socket notation, to show how these components interact and exchange data. Now let's walk through this step-by-step tutorial, how to draw a component diagram. We'll use Lucidchart to go from a blank canvas to a professional, finished document. First, enable the UML shape library. Drag a component shape onto the canvas for each system part. Next, add interfaces to define how they communicate, and use connectors to show the dependencies. In Lucid, you can simply click and drag to snap shapes together. Use the dedicated UML library to ensure your notation is perfect, and invite your team to collaborate in real time. You're ready to master your system architecture. Head over to Lucidchart to start building your own UML component diagrams today. Thanks for watching.